So we are presenting on the Constellogy team and the BIM dashboard that we've created. We'll go over the agenda. We will introduce a problem statement and the why behind what we developed and what we're proposing, how we did it, what are the functionalities of the BIM machine that we've developed. We have a demo to show it in action. We will go over the benefits, future developments, and then we'll talk about our business plan. So the team includes of the three of us. I'm Marjan Sadeghi. I have a doctorate in construction engineering and management. I have worked with big owner organizations, general contractors on the construction side in the past, and currently I'm working with Via Technic, a VDC implementation and consulting company. I'll give it to you guys to introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Hassan Imam. I'm Associate Director of Research and Development in Project Controls Consultancy called Logical. I've been in the construction industry and in project controls for over the last 18 years, working in different levels of the supply chain from the client, consultants, and contractors.
I am Muhammad Abdulham, a PhD in Construction Management. I'm a Project Controls Manager at E5 Care joint venture. I'm a principal consultant at Logical. I have over 18 years in project controls, and I'm a third team member of the Three Musketeers.
So a brief introduction to the problem statement. With the rise of new technologies like BIM, analytics, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence, the complexity of systems and the pace of learning has been rapidly increasing. Experienced professionals throughout the industry have been facing the challenge to cope up with the change in technology with their busy schedules and workload. This has inspired us to work on demystifying the complexity of these technologies and make them available to professionals while keeping the complexity under the hood. Not only construction professionals, but we also wanted to make sure the solution is user-friendly enough for people with limited experience with technology and running different BIM software platforms. So what does the BIM machine do? The solution we have developed integrates models in IFC format with project schedules and pricing into an ecosystem that provides construction project managers a holistic view on project performance without having to worry about the hassles of integration and technicalities. We are working with IFC models. That way, our solution ensures high degrees of interoperability, which allows interfacing in using different software platforms, and it allows those softwares to talk to each other. So how does it work? We have worked on producing a backend using Python and Flask framework that provides a RESTful API. IFC OpenShell was used to handle IFC files and parse them into a MySQL database. The front end uses libraries like 3.js for reading converted IFC files and displaying these on screen, and d3.js library was utilized to integrate with cross-filtering functions of the Power BI application. We have also used Power BI framework PBIViz, which uses TypeScript. So we basically are taking geometry and data from the model and convert that to an IFC format. And then Constellogy is actually the converter, and then we integrate the data within Power BI. So the functionalities include 3D visualization, 4D scheduling, and 5D cost management. It ranges from merely visualization and run walkthroughs and renderings to construction sequencing simulations and then value engineering on the 5D side. Here is a demo. So we'll go over the benefits. The first thing and what is very important is that the platform is very easy to use. So professionals with different levels of skills working with technology can definitely use the platform still. The BIM machine handles a large amount of data and big models and parses those IFC files to the database. With the BIM machine, users can easily convert the geometry into a readable format by WebGL libraries while maintaining reference to IFC GUID objects. The overall integration works seamlessly and it is smooth in the ways models are handled. Next is the future development opportunities. The first thing is performance improvements to enhance response time on large models processing. Next is the potential opportunity to investigate integration of VR/AR with business intelligence and BIM. Next is the potential implementation on mobile apps, integration with native models from major software and applications. And last is AI and ML models. Well, our vision is to automate integration of the model with cost and schedule. The business plan, first is the potential customers, and that includes stakeholders within different sectors of the industry, like contractors, owners, and the ones that are involved in the supply chain. Then the market, so working through various market routes and market research with the design and construction industries. Our next step is entry and expansion, trial runs with customers for improvements, value creation and offering at both project level and enterprise level, and data security and authorization. That is the end of the presentation.